How to disable fast startup in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to turn it off so your PC does a full shutdown instead of a hybrid one. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, click on Power and Sleep on the right side of the screen. At this point, scroll down and click on Additional Power Settings. From there, click on Choose what the power buttons do on the left side of the window. Following this, scroll down and you'll see a section labeled Shutdown Settings. From here, uncheck the box next to Turn on Fast Startup. After that, click Save Changes to confirm, and Fast Startup will be disabled straight away. Finally, keep in mind that with Fast Startup off, your PC will take slightly longer to boot up, since it's doing a complete fresh shutdown each time, rather than saving a partial session state. But this can help fix certain issues, like updates not applying correctly or devices not being recognized properly after a restart. That's how you disable Fast Startup in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!